Stop thinking you're going to be lucky, okay? I know a lot of you message me, and I get it. You've never ran a business. That's fine. I'm going to give you some tips today so that you can actually know how to do this and stop thinking you're lucky. The amount of people who message me saying, I can't get clients. How do I do this? Or I've talked to this many people on it. And I say, hey, I'm just curious, like, how many people have you talked to? Every single time, without fail, it's less than 10. It's usually less than 5. And I would say 80% of the time, it's two times. So they'll post like once on June 2nd, and then they posted once more on June 19th. And they're like, how come I'm not getting clients? This is too hard. You are sitting there thinking that it's the field of dreams and you can just build it and they'll come. You can make the Facebook page and you can make the business cards and you can create the logo and they're just gonna show up. No. Have a grand opening. Like, yes, it's a side hustle, but if you treat it like a side hustle, it's gonna pay you like that. Not much, okay? Where I want you to do, and this video is for everybody, but what I'm helping the people, the 1,000 people that we're gonna help by the end of this year, realize and change their mindset that like this business with Headlight Restoration can change your life financially, bring you home from your job, maybe it's your spouse you want to bring home. It can change your life financially if you want it to and if you let it. But most of you sit there and think, well, I posted twice, I made the logo, how come nothing's happening? Or even they've passed out 50 business cards and no one's called them. We passed out over 1,000 yesterday, okay? Now granted, it was July 4th and we were in the parade, but my expectations for that is if I get 1% or even less than 1% to call me, that's my numbers. Like flyers, because they're cold, it's easy for someone to not call you. That's why when people send me their flyers and they're like, hey, what do you think about this? And I say, hey, ask yourself the same question. If your friend sent you that flyer and they were like, hey bud, what do you think about my flyer? What would you tell them? Oftentimes you already know the answer, but you just want to get someone else's input. The biggest thing on flyers is a lot of you guys are using chat to make them, which is fine, but stop putting AI pictures of headlights in there and sending it. And then also stop making your flyers so busy. A confused buyer does nothing, okay? So make it very, very, in less than 3 seconds, it should be like, okay, I know what this person does and what they're about. And then let me see a little more, okay, they do, this is their number and this is kind of their price range or whatever. It should not sit there and take someone a minute and a half to read your flyer, to read your business card, to figure out what it is that you do. If that's the case, you're already failing, okay? So what I would tell you is post every single day for at least a month on Facebook, on your page. Post every single day. Go out there and introduce yourself to people every single day for at least 90 days. Talking to businesses, passing out flyers, passing out cards. When you're at the gas station and someone pulls up next to you, hey, listen, doesn't matter if you use me or not, but I wanted to give you my card and let you know, I can actually fix those. You're probably having an issue seeing it. I'd love to be the one to get them clear again. But you're in your head, when you see that person pull up, you see their lights and you say, man, they could definitely use it. But what if they yell at me? What if they cuss at me? What if they say, what are you doing? I don't want to talk to you. What I can tell you is that most of the time they don't say that unless you're weird about it. But don't be weird. Be like, hey, listen, this might even seem crazy, but I have to give you my business card. Your headlights, doesn't matter if you use me, but I wanted to at least introduce myself and let you know that those can be fixed and we can get them clear. Have a normal conversation. A lot of times when y'all are passing out cards, because I used to do this too, is you all of a sudden get really weird and you get nervous and you stammer and you stutter and you're talking a million miles a second, and or you're sitting there trying to hard sell them on right there at the gas pump. Chances are extremely high they've never even thought about their headlights. So just off the rip, they're probably not going to use you unless they were already looking for it, okay? Introduce yourself, introduce the pain point, bring their awareness to it, and then keep going. Have zero emotional attachment to the outcome. Yes, this is a longer video, but I just get so sad when I hear people, well, it's not working. And then I go and they're like, here, check out my page. I'm curious to see why it's not working. And they've literally posted twice. Or I say, how many people have you talked to? How many business cards have you passed out? Well, I passed out 50. Okay, 50 in an hour or 50 in the whole month? Well, 50 in the whole month. Why am I not getting any clients? That's why. Volume negates luck. If you want to be lucky, do so many introductions, so many pass outs of business cards, so many pass outs of flyer that it would literally be unreasonable for you not to win. That way at the end, you're like, wow, you're like an overnight success. Well, yeah, I talked to this many people. Of course I won. I posted twice a day for the last 31 days. Of course I have clients. Of course I'm busy. Don't wish it was easier. Wish you were better.